Welcome back. In the series of discussion of static GK of state, our next state is West Bengal. So let's discuss West Bengal. As we can see, location of West Bengal in map of India. West Bengal is a state of India. It is located on eastern part of the country. It is surrounded in the north by Sikkim and country of Bhutan, to the northeast by the state of Assam, east by the country of Bangladesh, south by the Bay of Bengal, and southwest by Odisha, and west by states of Jharkhand and Bihar, and to the northwest by the country of Nepal. So it has national border as well as international border. Next, West Bengal was established on 26 January 1950. Its capital is Kolkata. Number of seats in Lok Sabha is 42. Number of seats in Rajya Sabha is 16. Total number of districts in West Bengal is 23. Chief Minister of West Bengal is Mamata Banerjee. She belongs to Trinamool Congress (TMC). Next, Governor of West Bengal is Jagdeep Dhankar. Rivers that flow in West Bengal are Ajay, Barakar, Bhagirathi, Bairab, Damodar, Ganga, Hooghly, Mahananda, Swarnrekha, Tista, Torsa. These all are important rivers that flow in West Bengal. Next, dams present are Kangsabati Kumari Dam and Dangrajhor Dam. Airports of West Bengal are Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport of Kolkata, Bagdogra Airport of Siliguri, Kaji Nazrul Islam Airport of Durgapur, Panagarh Airport of Bardhaman, and Malda Airport of Malda. National parks of West Bengal are, these are very important: Sundarban Tiger Reserve, Buxa Tiger Reserve, Gorumara National Park, Neora Valley, and Singhaliya National Park. Lakes of West Bengal are Moti Jheel, Mirik, and Lal Dighi. Dance of West Bengal are Brita, Gambhira, Chau. Tribes of West Bengal are Munda, Charo, Ho, Garo. These all are tribes which are present in West Bengal. Cities of West Bengal has got some nicknames, such as Asansol is called land of black diamond, as lots of coal production takes place in Asansol. Darjeeling is called the Queen of Hills. Durgapur is called Ruhr of India, and Kolkata is called City of Joy. Kolkata has got many names: City of Joy, City of Palaces, Cultural Capital, Gateway of Eastern India. Seaport present in West Bengal is Haldia Port. Regional festivals that are celebrated in West Bengal are Durga Puja, Ganga Sagar Mela, Jagdatri Puja, Paus Mela. State animal of West Bengal is fishing cat, as you can see. State bird is white-throated kingfisher. State tree is blackboard tree, also called chatan. State flower is night flowering jasmine. World Heritage Site of West Bengal is Sundarban. Ramsar Site is East Kolkata Wetlands. Thanks. So in this way, all states of India are covered. If you have not watched previous static GK of states, you can watch in this channel. So thank you. From tomorrow, some new topics will be discussed.